Hello beauties, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So first I'm using primer from Elf Cosmetics, so I'm using it all over my face. Then I'm using concealer from Inside Cosmetics. This is just similar to my skin shade. As you can subscribe me my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, that is Makeup by Namita. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates. Like a small tips, I definitely share it on Instagram. And I'm blending it with a beauty blender. And then I am using Brow Bro from Indulge Essential. So this is a brow wax. So I'm just spraying it with the water, and with the help of this spoolie I'm lifting my brows up because I want a space on my eye to create this look, that's why. So you can see guys that I am just simply lifting up my brows and shaping it, that's it. I haven't used any other product in the brows, that's it. Just lifted it and shaped it. The similar I'm doing it on my another brow also. Then I'm using brushes that is from Pac Jovita. With the help of these brushes I am creating this look. So first I am doing my eye look. So from Elf Cosmetics concealer that is lighter from my skin tone, I am just use this concealer, and with the help of the concealer brush I'm just patting it up, blending it up. Then the same I am doing on another side, just cleaning up the mess and blending it with the concealer brush that is from Pac Jovita. And then I am using foundation from Benefit. So I have taken 2-3 pumps, and with the help of the beauty blender I'm blending it properly, or either you can use foundation brush also, whatever you feel like. So with the help of the beauty blender I'm blending it properly. So the blender I'm using that is from Plume, my personal favorite. In every videos you have seen guys that I am using this beauty blender only. Then I am using K Beauty loose powder. So first I am using it on my under eye area to fix it properly because it gets sweaty. Then I am fixing it on my lip area also, and then on my eyelids area to create an eye look, and then just removing an excess, and that's it. Then the eyeshadow palette I'm using from the Be Perfect Carnival 3. So first I have taken the lightest shade pink as a transition, you can see guys, and I am doing on my outer area. Just take very few very few dips of an eyeshadow and give a very lightest strokes, that's it. Don't give a harsh, otherwise it will look cakey. Give a patience to create an eye look. Then only your eye look will just look a bang on. Then the same process I'm doing on my inner corner of my eye. You can see guys. Then on the another eye also I'm doing the same. Don't take whole eyeshadow color on the brush, just take very little color on the brush and just blend it, that's it. The more you blend, the more it will look dashing, yeah, boom. And then with the smaller fluffy blending brush I'm just blending it properly so that it doesn't look cakey. And the same I'm doing on the another side of my eye area. Then I'm doing on another outer corner of my area. Then I've taken a darker shade and I'm blending it properly with a small fluffy blending brush. And then with the larger fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending it properly so that it doesn't look cakey. I'm just giving a lighter stroke that it doesn't look cakey. And then I'm using a Pasa. This is the glitter. I'll be giving you the link in the description box. So I have purchased it from Instagram. I don't remember the name, but I'll definitely link you on the link in the description box. So I have purchased from Instagram, and this glitter is the Boom. I'll definitely recommend you guys to purchase it. Then I'm blending it with a small fluffy blending brush so that it doesn't look cakey. And I'm doing the same in the inner corner area. Sorry. Then after that, I'm using eyeliner pen that is from Swiss Beauty. So this is my personal favorite eyeliner pen. The same I'm doing my inner corner area also, and boom, you can see guys, it's wow. Then I've removed the tape and I'm just creating a look on under eye area. So just giving a lighter strokes, that's it. As a transition shade, the shade which I have used from Be Perfect Cosmetics. You can see guys how I have created it. Just give it patience and done. Then I am using a bronzer that is from Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is my personal favorite bronzer, as you have seen it in all of my videos. Then from the same brand, that is from Benefit, a blush on I'm using. So for the first time I've used this blush on and it is good as just as my glam blush on. Then I'm using curler before doing mascara. So I'm just curling my lashes. Then after curling my lashes, I am priming my lashes with the help of Smashbox eyelash primer. So I'm just priming both my lashes, and then my personal favorite Essence mascara. So for the past few days I'm using this mascara in every eye look, and I really love this mascara. I'll definitely recommend you guys to purchase this mascara. And then I'm using my liquid lipstick, and boom, this is my final look guys. I hope you really liked it. So please like, comment, share with the family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. More videos coming up soon. Stay tuned, and the video will come out by 12 p.m. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.